Hello everyone, Tattooed Pokemon Collector here. Here I got 10 packets of 2023 Trick or Trade packets. I found them at a car boot sale or a flea market if you're in America. But yeah, let's crack on and open them, see what we get. Worth a shot, they were 20 pence each. Let's see what we get. Litwick, Houndstone, and a Greavard. I'll open these without the scissors. My fat fingers. Better off with the scissors. See what we get. Runegirus, Mimikyu, and a Murkrow. Nice little card that. See what we get. Only bought these for a laugh because they were cheap. Sort for 20p each. Can't go wrong. Spectra and another Murkrow. Poltergeist, Pikachu, Happy Days, it's nice, my daughter liked that one, and a Mismagius. Next pack. Delmisi, Chandelure, another Murkrow. They seem to be quite common. I only bought these for a bit of a laugh. I haven't done a video for a while. I've got some, what have I got? Got a pack of 10 Temporal Forces. I've got some more Stellar Crown to open later on. But for a minute I thought I'd just get these out the way. Add a bit more content. Yeah, if you want to throw a like and a subscribe, I'll be very happy. Sinistea, Marshadow, and Drifblim. Quite nice cards these. 3 left to go. So for 20p each, can't go wrong. Got a Lampent, another Pikachu, and a Shuppet. Come on, my fat fingers. There we go. So we've got Litwick, Litwick, Houndoom, and another Murkrow. What's going on with these Murkrows? Right, last packet. Let's see what happens. Dog's going mental out there. Another Lampent, Gengar, and a Drifloon. That's it for today. See you soon.